How to send a PowerPoint presentation as link. Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you guys how you can share any of your PowerPoint presentation as a link. But before getting started, make sure to head down below to give this video a like and subscribe to the channel. So as you guys can see here, I have this new PowerPoint presentation on my desktop that looks something like this. So let's say if I want to share this as a link, what you need to do is open up any web browser, and from here make sure that you are logged into your account. Now, all you need to do is click on the drive to open up your Google Drive. So once you open up your drive, what you need to do is right click on it and then click on File Upload, or you can just click on this new at the top left corner, and from here click on File Upload. Now you just have to find the PowerPoint file that you want to upload and double click on it, and it will start uploading this on your Google Drive. And once you have uploaded this, all you need to do is click on this three dots that says More Action, click on Share, and then click on Share again. Now, all you have to do is click on Copy Link. It will automatically generate a link for your PowerPoint presentation. And if it's unrestricted, make sure that it's set to anyone with the link, which allows people to view your document if they have the link. Make sure that it's on viewer, because if you give them the editor role, they can change around your content of your presentation. So make sure that it's set to viewer. And now click on Done. Now you can just paste the link to wherever you want, and then it will automatically open up your file right here. So that's pretty much it. I hope you found this helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.